The elusive cover letter. Some say it's more intimidating to write one than the resume itself. Others question whether it's necessary to write one at all. The purpose of a cover letter is to communicate to a potential employer why you are the best candidate for the position based on your skills, education, and experience. Hiring managers may receive 300 or more applications to one position. So to stand out from the crowd, you'll want to follow a few simple rules when writing your cover letter. First, when in doubt, write one. Not only is it your first chance to really make a memorable impression, but cover letters help hiring managers weed out applicants who may have made it past an applicant tracking system but don't truly fit the role. Without one, your resume could end up being ignored altogether. Before you get started, you should spend some time researching the organization to which you are applying. Your letter is the first chance for the hiring manager to get to know you, so it can't be generic. Personalize the letter to the company and position, and if possible, address the letter to the hiring manager by name. Generally, cover letters are about 4 paragraphs long and should fit on one page. Although there isn't a magic number, some companies ask for a specific word count, so be sure to review each job posting thoroughly. Pull keywords and skills from the posting and include them throughout your letter to illustrate how you can add value to the role and organization. You might be tempted to get creative, and depending on the industry and position, there may be more freedom to do so. Just keep in mind that a position in an industry like healthcare or finance may require a more straightforward approach, while those in areas like arts or marketing could be more receptive to a non-traditional cover letter. And of course, before you click submit, have someone else review your letter to avoid spelling or grammatical errors. Some employers use cover letters to determine your ability to write, and like your resume, it should be free of mistakes. Writing a cover letter might seem like an outdated approach to applying for a position, but the fact is, sometimes it's the biggest difference in getting an interview. Remember, your cover letter is your chance to distinguish yourself from all other candidates. So it's best to include a customized one with each job posting you respond to. Let our Career Services team help you take your cover letter to the next level. For help, email your cover letter along with the job posting to careerservices@uagc.edu, and we'll review it to make sure you have a custom letter that may help you land that interview.